Welcome to Stock Market Porn, where you can hear about advanced moves to supercharge your investment returns. The overall change in equities indices was very small this week, with the Nasdaq 100 at 0% change and the Dow Jones at less than 2% overall, although the swings during the week were anything but small, zipping up and down in a 5% range. On a year-to-date chart, this didn't change much the scenario for the Dow Jones and the S&P 500, with the Nasdaq still dipping faster than its cousins, but the weak swing did give us some good opportunities for multi-day trades in both the S&P and the Nasdaq arenas. This is the mini S&P chart with our latest signals. As you can see, the overall trend is down, but we did have a counter trend alert midweek, which nicely anticipated the reversal up we had at the week's close. A similar pattern evolved in the Qs, which are also very much in a downward trend. No news for crude oil, where the down move proceeded relentlessly, meaning no hint of a counter trend yet. Gold had a sharp move down for the week, but closed up on Friday and may be on a short-term bounce back up. Both materials and biotech sectors had similar movements this week. In fact, most sectors had a moderately positive week, with the exception of the financials, which suffered from the protracted Lehman situation, which however has not yet impacted too strongly the uptrend in the financial sectors as we see it in the year-to-date chart, and we've been following for a while now. The individual weekly price charts for the Dow Jones, Nasdaq and S&P all indicated a small up move, although all are trading once again in a range that started mid-June. After a few up weeks, bonds had a fairly negative week and closed once again under short-term support. International stocks had a positive week, but the year-to-date views remain quite negative. As we said in the opening, both crude and gold had a negative week, losing 4 to 5%. The 3-month view shows clearly the straight, steep down move we had in crude, which lost about 30% in 3 months, and gold that lost 20% in the same period. The year-to-date view is very dramatic in showing how crude is now close to reach back a 0% change this year, after the famous 55% gain that rocked the world just a few months ago. The fast down move is also quite evident in the weekly price chart that show in the following charts. This is for the oil, and this is gold. This is it for this week. Thank you very much for checking Stock Market Porn. If you enjoyed it, please share this report with your friends and continue tuning in with us to hear the full details on our trading and techniques. We'll see you online this week. Happy trading!